Android Oreo has arrived.
Open wonder. Introducing Android 8.0 Oreo. Smarter, faster, more powerful and sweeter than ever. The world's favorite cookie is your new favorite Android release.
Swift moves behind the scenes. 2x faster. Get started on your favorite tasks more quickly with 2x the boot speed when powering up. Boot time is measured on Google Pixel. Background limits. Android Oreo helps minimize background activity in the apps you use least. It's the superpower you can't even see. A hero who's ready before you are. Autofill. With your permission, Autofill remembers your logins to get you into your favorite apps at supersonic speed. Smart text selection. Android Oreo recognizes text when you tap or select, then recommends a next logical step via a suggested app. Do two things at once. Picture in picture. Allows you to see two apps at once. It's like having super strength and laser vision. Dive into more apps with fewer taps. Notification dots. Press the notification dots to quickly see what's new, and easily clear them by swiping away. Android Instant Apps. Teleport directly into new apps right from your browser, no installation needed. Evolving our superest of powers safely and soundly. Peace of mind in the palm of your hand. Google Play Protect. Working to keep your device and data safe from misbehaving apps by scanning over 50 billion apps per day, even the ones you haven't installed yet. Talk about a lifesaver. Whether you're talking, playing, working or streaming, you can feel confident about keeping your battery strong and full of life. Express yourself in more ways than ever. Emoji. Share the feels with a fully redesigned emoji set, including over 60 new emoji. A bird. A plane. No, it's Android Oreo. Powers, and beyond.